Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is Jeopardy. It's pronounced Je-P-D, and it is spelt Jeopardy. Think Jep, then Ard, and then Y. Jeopardy means danger of loss or failure. For example, you could say, after being late again, he knew that his job was in jeopardy because there is a danger of losing his job. Jeopardy comes from the Old French Jeopardy, meaning evenly divided game. The term was originally used in chess and other games to show a problem or a position in which the chances of winning or losing were the same. This was a dangerous situation to be in, and you risked losing the game. Can you see the connection here? Jeopardy is a noun. For example, you could say the lives of thousands of animals are in jeopardy after the huge oil spill. Jeopardy is defined in the dictionary as in danger of being damaged or destroyed. Jeopardy synonyms include danger, peril, at risk, endangerment, imperilment, insecurity, perilousness, instability, and vulnerability. Antonyms include safety, security, assurance, certainty, plan, and surety. See if you can notice anything in jeopardy today. Remember, jeopardy means danger of loss or failure. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.